Hey guys, hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to cover a very interesting and important topic for UPSC, which is the sperm whale. Now this is not just a biology topic, it also links to environment, conservation and even current affairs, so it becomes really important from the exam point of view. Let's quickly understand this in a very simple and structured way. Now starting with the current affairs angle, which is very important for prelims. Recently, for the first time, researchers from the University of St. Andrews in the UK have recorded sperm whales headbutting each other. This is significant because it gives us new insights into their behavior, especially aggression and social interaction. So whenever you see such unique behavior being recorded for the first time, it becomes a very strong current affairs based question area. Now let's understand the anatomy of the sperm whale, which is actually the largest toothed whale in the world. One of the most important features is its huge square-shaped head, and interestingly, it contains the largest brain of any animal on Earth. Its lower jaw is quite narrow compared to the upper head, which is a distinctive feature. It also has small paddle-like flippers, and instead of a proper dorsal fin, it has a series of rounded humps on its back. In terms of color, it is usually dark blue-gray or brownish, with lighter patches on the belly. These features are important because UPSC can ask identification-based questions. Now coming to its habitat and distribution, which is again very important. Sperm whales are found exclusively in deep oceans, so they are not coastal animals. What makes them unique is that they have one of the widest distributions among marine mammals. They are found from the equator all the way to the edges of the Arctic and Antarctic regions. So basically, they can survive in extreme environments. Their lifespan can go up to around 60 years, which also shows their adaptability and resilience. Now, this is one of the most fascinating aspects, their communication system. Sperm whales are highly social animals and they live in complex groups. They communicate using something called codas, which are structured sequences of clicks. These are not random sounds. Each coda has a specific meaning or purpose. So in simple terms, this is like a language system used for social coordination, navigation, and interaction. This concept is very important because UPSC often asks about animal communication and behavioral ecology. Now let's move to an interesting part which connects biology with economic and historical relevance. There are two important substances associated with sperm whales, spermaceti and ambergris. Spermaceti is a waxy oil found in the head and it helps in focusing sound for communication and navigation. Historically, it was used in oil lamps, candles, and lubricants. On the other hand, ambergris forms in the intestines and is a protective substance around undigested materials. It is highly valuable and has been used in the perfume industry. So this becomes important from both biology and economy perspective. Now, let's understand how ambergris is actually formed, which is a biological process. First, the whale consumes deep sea prey like squid, and some parts like squid beaks remain undigested. Then, a waxy substance forms around these sharp beaks inside the intestine to protect the digestive tract. Finally, this material is expelled and floats in the ocean, where it is later found as ambergris. This step-by-step mechanism is very important for conceptual clarity. Now coming to conservation status, which is extremely important for prelims. As per the IUCN Red List, the sperm whale is classified as vulnerable. This means it is at risk of extinction in the wild. Under CITES, it is placed in Appendix 1, which provides the highest level of protection and restricts commercial trade. So whenever you see such combinations of IUCN and CITES, you should remember them together for the exam. Finally, let's quickly revise everything in a compact way. Spermaceti is the waxy oil used for sound focusing, ambergris is the intestinal byproduct used in perfumes, codas are communication clicks, habitat is deep ocean with global distribution, and status is vulnerable under IUCN and Appendix 1 under CITES. This kind of quick revision is exactly what helps in last-minute prelim preparation. So that's it for today. I hope this made the topic very clear and easy to revise. Keep revising consistently and try to connect static with current affairs like this. All the best for your preparation and I'll see you in the next session.